Hey everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. I know it's been a little bit and I told you I've got some stuff to come at you with, and stuff I've been meaning to get to for a little while, just have not had the opportunity or the time to do. Things have been busy, and we've discussed that in the last video. Life happens, move on and you go with it. So today we've got a little bitty something here for ye old Ford 97, as a matter of fact, still running strong. Go Ford. And that is a new switch. Now, as you can see, the mirror switch here is it's been a little finicky, and it's obviously missing something right here, and so we're going to go ahead and replace that. Now, what we're going to be replacing that with is part here from Maxpeedingrods. Alex from Tools and Trash actually introduced me to him. He had pretty much same year of a truck as well, so parts and whatnot, introduced me to those guys, and well, I got a hold of them, started talking to them, and they do all sorts of everything, turbos, kits, performance mods, suspension, all sorts of odds and ends like you wouldn't believe. I'll definitely be putting a link down below to their website for sure. And but this little part, you know, $10, but I figured, hey, why not? They're pretty good on their shipping on it. I've just had it for a little while, just have not had the chance to use it. So first, all right, so it's F6 number, which is pretty reminiscent of a Ford part number. So F65 Zebra, blah blah blah. Focus. There we go. And the front of the box. So see what we got here. Oh, that does look pretty much exactly like it. Focus correctly. Jesus. Wouldn't be a video without the incorrect focus now, would it? Alright, get this out of the baggie here. Oh, yeah, it'll be easy enough to pop out. So, there we go. You guys can see that'll be easy enough to pop out of there and replace. Come on. Focus. Anyways, let's go ahead, move on, try to get this thing swapped out here, and go from there. Alright, so standard, as with most any other mirror switch out there, you gotta pop some stuff off and try not to break stuff when you go to do it. Hopefully, maybe. We've got a little unplug that there, and let's try to use the pocket snap-on pocket pry chisel. See if that'll get underneath here. Sounds like some mowers are getting ready to go. And from behind, one more. Oh, hopefully nothing broke on that. Oops. And, oh no, just, well, I'll be, oh well, get that out. Put that, take the new one, make sure you orient it correctly. And that just popped right in. All right. Plug it back in. Come on. There we go. Oh. Now we're going to do an operational check. Check the mirror. Check the other one. All right. Things work again. That's awesome. All right, so turn that off. Don't need the radio playing. It might get copyright infringement. Never. So anyways, there you have it. Stop the dinging. And pretty cut, dry, plain, simple. All the good stuff. There. Now that'll stay. So, got my window switch fixed and everything else. Like I said, link down below to Maxpeedingrods, and as well as their social media. I'll go ahead and post a link to them there. So, other than that, hope everybody's doing good. Have a good weekend, and close this one out. Move on to the next. Now, y'all take care, and y'all have a good one. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. We did this in all less than 10 minutes, and all I needed was a pocket pry chisel. Later.